The ethnographic collection of the Bunjevci. The Bunjevci are a Croatian ethnic group divided into three branches: Dalmatian, Littoral Lika, and Danubian. Today, they live in regions of Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Vojvodina, and Hungary, and we also find them in smaller groups in Austria and Romania. They began to settle in the Senj area at the beginning of the 17th century at the invitation of the then authorities and for the needs of defense against the Ottomans. Due to the abolition of the military frontier in the 19th century and the collapse of the traditional way of life, the first emigrations occurred, especially to overseas countries. The process of emigration increased in the 20th century, when economic reasons were joined by political ones, which means that today, the Bunjevci villages in the vicinity of Senj are almost completely deserted. Since its foundation, the town museum has been working on collecting the Bunjevci's heritage, particularly when the area was still partially inhabited. Most of the exhibits were collected through systematic field research carried out in the 1970s, whilst a smaller part was collected via individual donations, purchases, and occasional field research that continues to this day. The collected materials are exhibited in several sections in order to familiarize visitors with the specifics of the Bunjevci's life. Most of the exhibitions are items of everyday use: crockery, furniture, carpentry, and weaving and agricultural tools. Specific Bunjevci clothing is also on show for women, girls, quarrymen, and young men, in a way that most of the clothing parts were made by hand from local materials.